How to use Whatnot Randomizer. The first thing you should do is open Whatnot. Just make sure you are on a Whatnot seller. Then you have to click on your profile icon, and then you have to click on Seller Hub. And after that, you see this page. You have to come to the sidebar and click on Shows. And then from here, you can see a list of shows. Whether you start them or you schedule them, you can see them right here. You have to click on Open Show. After that, you see this page. You have to click on More, and then you have to click on Seller Tools. And after that, you have to see a randomizer option. Because I'm in the beta mode, I can't see the randomizer, so you probably see the randomizer option. You click on that, add the names, and then spin the wheel. But if you're like me and don't see a randomizer, don't panic, just follow this step by step. You just need to come to this website, Wheel of Names, and put the names of your viewers here, and then spin the wheel. So if you want to know how to put this on Whatnot and put it on stream, watch this video to know exactly how to do it. Thanks for watching this video.